Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising the syllabus. So now let us revise today worksheet 1, putting out a fire. Now let's start. Every morning the wind's children, the merry little breezes, would play in a meadow. One day they saw that the meadow was on fire. So what happened here? Every morning the wind's children, who are they? The merry little breezes, they play in a meadow. Okay, so they saw that the meadow was on fire. The merry little breezes realized that the animals and people who lived there were in danger. So these merry little breezes, they realized that the animals and people who are living here, they were in danger. Then one of them carried a capful of smoke to where the rabbits, mice and foxes lived. What happened here, children? One of them carried a capful of smoke where the rabbits, mice and foxes lived. And the animals smelled the smoke and hid near the pond. So all the animals smelled the smoke and they hid near the pond, near the river. Then the merry little breezes gathered a large cloud of smoke and carried it to Farmer Brown's yard. Then what happens? The merry little breezes, they gathered a large cloud of smoke and carried it to Farmer Brown's yard. They blew a little smoke through an open window into Farmer Brown's house. So they blew a little smoke through an open window into the Farmer Brown's house. Then I smell smoke. The meadow is in fire, cried Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown started crying and said that I can smell smoke. The meadow was in fire. He and his helpers tried to fight the fire, but it had spread too far. So who is trying to fight the fire? Yes, Farmer Brown. He and his helpers, they tried to fight the fire, but it had spread too far in the field. Just then the merry little breezes appeared. Here, as you can see, the merry little breezes appeared and they blow a great black rain cloud to the meadow. Then when it was just over the fire, the cloud burst open and it rained. So what happened? As the fire started, the merry little breezes, they blow and the rain cloud came. How lucky I am that the rain came at the right time, said Farmer Brown. Then Farmer Brown, he is thinking of himself as a lucky person because as the fire started, the cloud burst open and it rained. So the rain came at the right time, he thought. Now you and I know that it wasn't luck, but the quick work of the helpful merry little breezes, which saved the meadow. So now, it was not his luck, he got to know. So it was whose work? It was the help of merry little breezes, which saved the meadow. Alright, so yeah, what does it mean, meadow? Meadow is nothing but a field with grass. It's called a meadow and it contains wild flowers. Okay, children. Now, let us see question answers. First one, who were the merry little breezes? Where did they play? The merry little breezes were the wind's children. They played in a meadow. Meadow spelling M-E-A-D-O-W, meadow. Alright. Next, second question, who warned the meadow folk about the fire? Who warned about that fire? Yes, the merry little breeze warned the meadow folk about the fire. Next, third question. What did Farmer Brown smell in his house? Farmer Brown smelled smoke in his house. Say the spelling of smoke. Yes, SMOKE, smoke. Next, fourth question. How did the great black cloud come to the meadow? Merry little breeze blown a great black rain cloud to the meadow. Next, fifth question. Why did Farmer Brown call himself lucky? Was it really luck that saved his farm? No, it was not luck, but the hard work of whom? Yes, it was hard work of the merry little breezes who carried the cloud to the meadow that saved his farm. Next, sixth question is the homework for you. Name any two jobs where people help others. In what ways do they help them? So children, you have to write any two jobs and in what way do they help, you have to write here. Alright, so till here we will stop. The remaining lesson will be continuing in the next class. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Take care, bye bye.